Okay, so this is a single source, multiple targets, client or client server game, resembling the tic-tac-toe theme. Here you can see the project. It has four sub-projects. I will basically show you firstly what it does. So there is a desktop version of the game, which is a native application. So you choose the AI level. So let's go for the hard. Okay, so I check here, it plays here. I try to go here, goes here. Okay, probably no chance to win, right? So the AI is far too good for winning. Okay, if I go for the easy AI, I go here, I go here. Okay, and I win. Right. So this is the desktop version. Okay. It's a native application either for Mac or Windows or Linux or whatever you want. Okay. Then we have an Android target. So I will show you a version of the Android target. I have actually created a movie on YouTube, right? So come on. So we have put it on videos channel. Okay. So here it is. Oh, right. So here you can see my Android tablet, right? With the icon. Okay. It's an Android application about 1 MB of size. It has all the features that the desktop version has. Okay, so now I win. Wow, cool. Now I will show you the HTML5 version, which resides on this URL. Okay, it's an HTML5 version, so you see it's okay. It's a browser version. So I go for the easy AI again. It works the same as on. It has a little glitch, the HTML version at the end, but otherwise it's the same. Okay, so now I will tell you something more about the single source checking that Pierre was asking for. Okay, so this project stands both for the HTML5 build and for the server. It runs on the Google App Engine, right? There's a server servlet which gets called, and it actually calls the client server shared checked, blah blah blah. It now returns true for every request, so that it's easier. But any logic that checks the consistency of the game can be applied there, and it's the same on the client and on the server. It's the client version is here, and it's the same code, it's the same Java code. So I will just switch it on here, which is check on the client is here, right? So I will just set check on the client to false, and I will leave it for localhost now for my local server. So I will run the server locally, right? Okay, I'm running the server locally in the debug mode. So whenever the client asks for the consistency check, this servlet will be called, right? So I go for the desktop version, right? Okay, the desktop version is here. So I place my, okay, I placed my move, and as you can see, the servlet gets called with the whole stack and stuff, so that you can use your your very same Java code on the client side and on the server side. Okay, I will now switch the server off. Okay, so there's a lot of classes for the game and stuff. The thing is, now it has versions for Android, desktop, and HTML5. It can have a version for iOS as well, but I didn't create one since none of you have an iOS device, so it wouldn't make much sense at the moment. So I will recap this. I will send you a build, which is these sources. I will send you an URL that you can play the game on. I will send you an Android APK you can install on your telephone, and I will send you a jar file you can run on your Windows machines. So far, so good. So, well, let me see. Well, let me know what you think, guys.